Hello, I'm Alejandro Del Rio. I'm here with Kimberly Roderick of Tiverton, Rhode Island. How do you like your Handy Andy's quality vac, and how do you like the service?
I love it ever since I bought it. It's been wonderful. I have 2 pets. It cleans the dog hair fabulous. It's been great. The service has been wonderful.
Are there any particular features you like about the vacuum?
Well, it's lightweight. It has an extra long cord that I can get in and up and down areas, and its quality, it's terrific. The pressure from the vacuum is super. I love it. I recommend it to anybody.
Well, thank you very much, Kimberly.
Thank you.